Hi, I'm Mike with SPS Spindle, and I wanted to introduce you to a project we've been working on since 2019. We were approached by a local customer running several Robodrill machines, specifically the 24K, and they were experiencing some issues with their current supplier, who was actually the dealer. They had explained that in many cases the installation on their Robodrill Spindles, when they changed them over, was taking anywhere from 2 to 3 days. One time actually was 3.5, almost 4 days. One of the problems they were saying they had is that the installation costs in many cases was exceeding the price of the new spindle. And they thought there was just a better way, and were they overlooking something? So they approached us and asked if we could help them with the problem. We got a whole assembly in, motor, spindle, and coupling, because that's what we were looking for to analyze the whole project. And we found that the coupling used by the machine builder was very complex. It used a very complex spindle interface with a sheet steel between the spindle interface coupling component and then the motor coupling. And very heavy design, all steel. In fact, this particular coupling that I have in front of me, which is out of a 10K spindle, weighs upwards of almost a pound and a half. So if you can imagine spinning that at high speed, if there's any type of alignment issues, it creates an awful vibration. So we looked at this spindle design, went back and forth with a few ideas, and what we did is we developed a coupling using some technology that's actually out on the market, but we did some customization to it. So this particular coupling I have here is an aluminum coupling. It is designed with the 22 millimeter through hole for the motor on the 24K Robodrill. I got a 28K here for the 10,000 RPM Robodrill, and I have what we developed, which is a customized coupling that mounts to the specific Robodrill shaft, which is pretty complex. And then obviously with coolant through, we got a couple different coolant tubes, 24K, 10K. And what separates our coupling from the OEM is the fact that our coupling is an elastomer type coupling. So we have our spindle coupling with an elastomer, and we have our motor coupling. So what we're doing is we're separating the spindle from the motor. And what we do is we mount our motor coupling onto the motor, we trim balance that at speed. We mount our spindle coupling onto the rear of the Robodrill spindle, and we trim balance that. So what we have is two balanced assemblies now connected by an elastomer. And we've actually been able to cut the installation time to hours instead of days. On average, it's about 3 to 4 hours for an install. And vibration levels have been significantly improved. If you have any questions on the Robodrill Spindles, if you're running any Robodrill Spindles and would like to take a look at our new coupling style, please give us a call at SPS.